Gear down edge next.
Every flight at Arlo, wind 2 breeze, 11 knots, runway 17 left.
Did you say clear to land to scamming 36 Mike?
36 Mike 8, firm, wind 2 breeze, 11 knots, runway 17, clear to land.
Clear to land scamming 36 Mike.
Clear to land.
Gear.
Down to green.
Down to green brakes.
Checked.
Checked. Bleed and flaps to go so far.
145. Flaps 24.
24 selected. Approaching 4 DME.
Checked.
For DME is 15. Yeah, 100.
Checked.
Height looks good.
Gear +5.
Ref plus 5, 119er.
119er, flap 33.
Speed check 33 select. Stabilize nose wheel run 33.
Confirm.
Lead set checked. Landing checklist complete.
Manual controls.
Checked. Fly director green.
Checked. Mail trust.
Checked.
Stabilized.
Checked.
Minimums. $100.
Air brake.
Selected.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Ground idle. Spoilers yellow and green.
There is one bird.
Check.
Test the brakes.
Brake pressure. 60 knots.
Your stick.
My stick.
Bravo 36 Mike, Bravo Charlie stand to 1.
Bravo Charlie stand 1 scamming 36 Mike.